This is a black color. This is a red color. This is a orange color. This is a brown color. This is a yellow color. This is a blue color. This is a purple color. This is a green color. This is a light pink color. And this is a light green color. I draw a lowercase letter A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. Let's paint red color. A for ant. B for banana. C for cow. D for donut. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for line. M for monkey. Let's repeat learn. Lowercase letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.